Good morning.
Oh God.
It is moving day. Yesterday we spent pretty much the entire day moving, and
Is that it for this one?
I don't know. Yeah. That's not it.
Is that it for beds? One more bed on top. You look lost, man.
I'm homeless.
I was just gonna say he doesn't know where he lives.
40-something years and I'm a homeless person.
Yep.
You girls, hurry up and go get those mattresses.
We'll do. This one we just fold in half and like a taco. Matthew might want to eat it.
want to eat it.
Yeah. She just wiped cat off of it.
Yeah, we'll put that one right in the basement. These two right in the basement, and then.
I got it. I got it.
Oh,
Light. You got it? You want me to come?
Nope.
So,
Oh jeez.
we've been moving the last 2 days. We've been working like crazy for the last
every weekend.
month. And pretty much everything is packed up in the house. These bedrooms are empty back here.
Floors are washed.
So mom and dad's room, the only thing left in here is some clothes that have to go, which I should leave that open now. But this room is empty. And then Matthew's room, which was my high school room. And then the beautiful kids' room. She was born in this room. Well, she wasn't born in it, but she was born into it. And she also passed away living in this room. We made this room for her. Except for it's all different now. Oh, beautiful girls. We got little miss, I know, huh? Bathroom just has some cleaning stuff in it.
Yeah, I have to clean it.
And then we have dad's speakers and his stereo and stuff and TV. And then that's all Mike's stuff. But the kitchen is pretty much... Did you empty the rest of that cupboard that I packed up?
What cupboard, honey?
The spice cupboard with the medications and stuff?
They're in that
Okay.
my bag.
And then dining room.
And I was up till 3 o'clock in the morning mopping that.
Yeah. And so I don't know if you guys remember, but dad actually put this addition on with the deck. So this used to actually, you probably never saw it. Actually, is it in my videos?
I don't know, I don't remember.
Okay. So when I first started videotaping, my old channel, which is no longer exists, it would have been on there. But anyways, I don't think you guys ever saw this as original. But anyways, so dad added all this on this addition and then the deck and everything. And he built the gazebo down there. And then of course, did the kitchen, made the cabinets, made the doors just like at my house. They're not no crappy Home Depot cabinets. The fish tank is gone. We did that yesterday. We made the island quickly when they were putting it for sale. And of course, where we stayed the last 4 years. Here is our living room. Yeah.
Over by the doorway.
Yep. This was the laundry area. We did use it as like a little kitchen area. Bathroom. And where we slept. And then we made do to room here, makeshift room. So this is what dad and I have been doing for the last, there was 2 days or 3 days. We were just ripping a bunch of sheets for, it's okay, ripping a bunch of sheets for cabinets because, oh, he hasn't torn down his radio alarm yet, right? Oh, he did.
Yeah, it's gone.
Oh, okay. So that we could get this all emptied out. I think Matthew did this yesterday morning. Obviously, there's still a bunch of stuff that we gotta take out of here. And those sheets I actually get to take back. So that's $200 I get to take back. Anyways, so that's the workshop. And then this, we blew this hole in the foundation to put a door here. Did a patio, did that wall, and Mom and Dad filled all this in. Well, we all did, but 21 truckloads of dirt went in there. They need a woman to drive that big truck. You need a woman to drive that truck for you? Get it
The little
stuck.
truck almost got stuck on my front lawn. I can't believe it.
Didn't get
It's just a
stuck.
two-wheel drive?
Yeah.
There's a couple in there. Yeah, just put it downstairs. This has got to go upstairs though. Because it's got parking holes and everything.
You're gonna come with us or something, or we don't know where, I'm just handing off now, I don't know. You've got a backed up traffic going on.
That's Mike gonna.
Mike
Be
got-
careful. That looks like an iPad or something. So am I coming?
I don't know, cause I don't know.
Tiffany,
where
can
it
you,
goes.
if the phone rings, just answer it. It'll let you get in.
Am I gonna stay here and
Are you gonna
just
stay here?
hang out in this beautiful house here and
I mean, you could do something with your life.
do what?
What about this, oh, I could take that, I guess, but
That can go
kind
too.
of froze, I don't want it to freeze.
This can go.
That's pretty heavy.
You want me to take it?
I don't care, but some.
Am I coming?
That's water's gonna go over you, if you got it like that.
I guess I'm coming, right?
I don't know if you
If both
want
you
to.
come, then a little faster.
Where's my little thing jacket?
You can come too, and then you can work and help unload it.
You wanna go-
I'm glad you took that off. I
I'm
was
glad
like,
she's feeling better today, she's not as miserable.
no.
Not as much of a, the camera rolling?
It is.
It's hot in here.
Nope, just the other ways.
It's only 66 in here.
So, my fish still alive? Where are they?
We're counting down.
They're counting down.
2 babies.
That's all that's left?
No, no.
Oh, the babies died?
Yeah, what? The bigger ones though.
What is this?
I know the big ones died.
This can go. This is stereo.
No, the bigger babies.
What time is it? 11?
Leave all this stereo stuff together, we'll take it all at once.
That's your machine.
Yeah, we're gonna take that as
Just get a
one.
bag of.
I don't know where to put that.
We are back at my house and we have officially finished the flooring in the living room and all throughout the hallways back here. The only flooring that needs to be done is my office and walk-in closet still. We installed a barn door. I kind of did a makeshift barn door. This is only here because Little Miss is gonna be in that section there. So we had to close off to separate the cats, but I took a 4x8 sheet because it's actually a 46-inch opening. So it's a 1/2-inch sheet and I bought off of Amazon, which I'll have linked down below, track that does 8 feet. And yeah, I think it actually looks pretty good. I'm glad I took the time to stain it to make it look part of the house and not just makeshift like it was. So that's done. This is all full of stuff. And down here, you guys have seen the flooring and the bed. We got our mattress and we moved that into here because there's gonna be no room in the living room. But yeah, we still have some flooring to do in the office and stuff, but we got to get this cleared out here because they're going to be bringing a couch next, which is going there. And yeah. These tables I actually got from a restore for 50 bucks, and all of our cabinets are right there. So I'm just walking back to mom and dad's. Feels weird saying it now because it's not actually mom and dad's house now. Well, the transfer hasn't been done yet, I don't think, but anyways, just walking back, and the boys left without me. What the heck? So anyways, I was just doing things around the house, puttering, putting couches together, filling up fish tank with water because we have to do it slowly because the water dropped in temperature last night. So we have to slowly bring it back. And I've been sick the last like 3-4 days, which sucks. It's my time of month, which sucks. I just realized this is probably the last time I will ever walk to mom and dad's house from mine. Obviously we'll walk by it, but which is also kind of weird. But yeah, anyways. My hand's frozen. There she is. Pretty special house. Did us all well. Holy, would you look at that? My neighbor is here. Yeah, what else am I gonna do? He stole my vehicle. Alright, the last time you guys have to listen to this beep driving to mom and dad's. I know everybody hated it, but just 200 meters down the street and we don't put our seatbelts on or anything, so. Okay, last time driving in the driveway. Just gonna leave it running. Actually, I don't have to. Oh my goodness. Feels weird. Okay. Last time, going in the door.
Little mess.
Okay, you gotta like.
Here, if you go like that, now step on my back. Oh, Jesus.
Go up. Going up, first floor.
That's up. That's ups. That's all the way ups. You guys are funny. That's all the way ups. That's why I said stand. Stand on my back.
Oh God.
Just stand on it.
I'm not gonna be able to.
Yes, you will.
Matthew,
Go.
you're not understanding.
There, go.
Oh, there's a screw up there.
1, 2, 3, go.
It's not happening.
Yes, it is. Just do it. Hurry up. Good enough. We're done. Hurry up.
Going up.
I can't.
Jump. What are you doing?
I'll help you in a second.
Yeah, step on your phone. That's smart. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Oh, Jesus, man.
Just jump. You can reach it.
Frozen to it.
Oh well, that's not my fault.
You have to like.
That's not my fault. Oh, it's there. Oh. Oh. Oh, and he caught it. Now what are you doing with that?
Bring it to your house.
What are you gonna do with it there?
Nothing.
He's gonna start the fire with it. Is what he's gonna do.
There it is. There it is. That's a good idea.
No.
Okay.
Aw. Okay, everybody has moved in.
Wait, I want to show them.
Everybody has a place to sleep tonight. Yeah, they're out.
Can we, wait, come. I want to show them
Okay,
what
well,
place is.
if
That's what you bought with your own money from Granddad for Christmas, right?
Wait, and Pokemon. Oh, we forgot walkie-talkie.
It's okay. We'll look later. Anyways, we're gonna go for fish and chips, and we'll see you in a bit.
Is he there?
Yeah, he's going right now.
Dear. ready?
Yep, set, go.
Look at the camera, baby.
Ready? Smile. Look at. Oh, yay. Cheese.
She's like a dog. Come on, little miss.
Look at on three. Cheese.
1, 2, 3.
Here we go. We're at Nanny's house. And this is baby Toya.